Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000, and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnishers. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machines running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so you have a broken caster wheel right up here up front, and you need to replace it. Super simple, this is how you do it. There's a locking nut right there. I'm going to take a crescent wrench, and we're going to loosen that nut up. Just like that. And now we can take and spin out the caster wheel. Just like that. Now, just reverse the steps to install the new caster wheel. Get your new one. Thread it back in. Now what you want to do at this point in time is, remember, we loosened this locking nut, so what we want to do is tighten it back down, maybe a thread to where it was, and then tighten back down the caster wheel all the way. And now tighten that locking nut back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.